Tell me about this. Rethink. What do you understand by this? Rethink. Rethink. Think once again. Think again about the same. I agree. But think about what? यहाँ पे आपको किस चीज के बारे में सोचना पड़ेगा, आपको किस चीज के बारे में लोगों को बताना पड़ेगा? टेल मी. रीथिंक. और जो भी आप कंटेंट लोगों के देख रहे हो, जो भी कंटेंट आप लोगों को प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो, whatever information you are providing to people, whatever guidance you are providing to people, whatever help you are providing to people, just think about it. Is this actually helping people? And are they genuinely being benefited by this? Are they genuinely getting results? Are they genuinely creating more opportunities for them? Think about it. How are they being benefited? What is it? Understand, watch your content, repeatedly watch your content, right? And see what are the important pointers, what are the things that people are actually being benefited by. Because when you figure all those things out, some Sarvesh has written the right word over here. When you are able to do that analysis, आप जब वो एनालिसिस कर पाते हैं, उसके बाद आपको समझ में आ जाता है that okay, this is the thing that I need to focus upon. And once you focus upon that one particular thing, then you would realize this is what I need to focus upon, and this is something that I need to eliminate. समझ में आया? You need to figure out कि इस चीज के ऊपर मेरे को काम करना है, and ये वो चीज है जो कि मेरे को eliminate करनी पड़ेगी. And once you have figured out that okay, I am now focusing upon this, therefore we would be able to get more chances, and you would realize that this is the kind of content that would work. Now, how would I rethink? मैं जाके मेरे YouTube चैनल पे देखूंगा मेरा कौन सा कंटेंट है जो लोगों को ज्यादा पसंद आ रहा है, मेरे कौन से इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट है जो लोगों को ज्यादा पसंद आ रहे हैं, मेरा कौन सा इंस्टाग्राम वीडियो है जो लोगों को ज्यादा पसंद आ रहा है. एंड वंस आई हैव फिगर्ड आउट दैट दिस इज द कंटेंट दैट पीपल आर लाइकिंग इवन मोर, आई वुड फोकस ऑन दैट एंड क्रिएटिंग दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ कंटेंट, बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट विंस. नाउ आई हैव माय निश फिगर्ड आउट कि मेरे को मेरे निश में सेल्स के रिगार्डिंग कंटेंट देना है, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग देना है, पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग देना है, बाकी चीजों के ऊपर देना है. बट उसमें भी कौन से टॉपिक्स लोगों को ज्यादा पसंद आ रहे हैं? क्या इंटरनेट पे रेवेन्यू जनरेशन ज्यादा पसंद आ रहा है? क्या पब्लिक स्पीकिंग स्किल ज्यादा पसंद आ रही है? क्या कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स एनहांसमेंट ज्यादा पसंद आ रहा है? आई वुड रियलाइज व्हाट इज इट दैट पीपल आर लाइकिंग द मोस्ट, व्हाट इज इट दैट पीपल आर एंजॉयिंग द मोस्ट, and that's exactly what I'm going to focus upon and provide to people. So it's always about understanding, okay, this is what people will like, this is what people would be benefited by, this is how people would get more results and opportunities for them. And once you have figured all those things out, then you would realize that now I'm able to impact, I'm able to empower, and I'm able to get results. So that is why sometimes taking a step back and rethinking what you need to give and what you need to analyze and share with people is what is important. Many we don't, लोग इतना ज्यादा बिजी हो जाते हैं कभी कभी कंटेंट क्रिएशन में that we are not able to figure out what is working and what is not working. Therefore rethinking is critical. Got it? Good. Next question. How many of you feel afraid? बहुत बड़ी ऑडियंस को देख के, अगर आपको बहुत बड़ी ऑडियंस के सामने बात करने का मौका मिले, if you got an opportunity to talk to a lot of people, do we get afraid when we see a lot of people in front of us? Yes. Even when doing it online, I have seen people attending my sessions when they are doing it online and they get afraid, right? Because इतने सारे लोग दिख जाते हैं वहां पे, पता है उनको कि इतने सारे लोग देख रहे हैं. Not now. Good, good, good. Sometimes I get puzzled, and that is why this is a short solution for it, for all of you. This is the solution that you need to realize, and that is speak to one person at a time. Speak to one person at a time. When you are doing public speaking on the stage, just look at one person when you are talking, and when you are talking about one pointer, then go to the other person, then move to the other person, then also change your positions. But at the same time, what you got to do is speak to one person at a time. Because when you're going to speak with one person at a time, when you're going to interact with one person at a time, what will happen is if you are able to motivate, if you're able to inspire, if you're able to push that one person, then you would be able to motivate, inspire, and push others also. As simple as that. When you are doing it on social media, then of course you need to look at the camera and be really confident. Then you will not be shifting your eye gaze from one place to the other. Got it? But when you are talking and when you are doing it on the stage, please ensure that you speak to one person at a time and you don't speak to everybody. बिकॉज अगर आप ऐसे कॉन्स्टेंटली इधर उधर देख के बात करते रहोगे, दैट विल बी अ साइन ऑफ नर्वसनेस. आई डोंट वांट यू टू डू दैट. फोकस ऑन टॉकिंग टू वन पर्सन. डोंट वरी, अगर आप एक बंदे को देख के मोटिवेट कर रहे हो, बाकी लोग अपने आप ही मोटिवेटेड हो रहे हैं. इफ यू आर एबल टू इंस्पायर वन पर्सन, एवरीबडी अराउंड हिम और हर इज ऑटोमेटिकली गेटिंग इंस्पायर्ड. If you are able to give value to one person, everybody sitting over there in that hall is getting the value and the knowledge and the information. You got that? That's what is so very important. And that is exactly what you got to do, realize, figure out, and win. Got it? Ladies and gentlemen, give me a yes if we have enjoyed the session so far. I have loved it, very powerful. Thank you so much. 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 Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I love your energy. And this is just the beginning. All right? Good. Next, one very, very critical mistake that a lot of people commit is you write the entire script for you. Please do not write the entire script, ladies and gentlemen. Write down in pointers always. Okay, I don't think I've created some video links over here, but what I do is I always write in pointers, because when you write in pointers, then you will have the opportunity to elaborate in your own words. आप उसको अपने खुद के शब्दों में expand कर सकते हो. But if you are not doing it, if your content is not in the form of pointers, तब आप वो impact नहीं create कर पाएंगे, तब आप वो results अपने लिए नहीं ला पाएंगे. I know some will say, I do this because of mistakes in the language. Don't worry about it. Just write down in pointers. See, mistakes everybody would commit. I'm 100% right. I'm 100% sure about it. I would have committed some mistakes in the first 50 minutes of the session. It cannot happen that I would not have committed a mistake. ऐसा तो होगा ही होगा, right? And that's the reason why pointers are important. Somebody says, what if you go blank? अगर आप blank चले जाते हो, उसी के लिए तो quotations याद होने जरूरी हैं, उसी के लिए तो stories याद होनी जरूरी हैं. You need to remember quotations, you need to remember stories, so that if you get stuck, you have something to speak, and you don't get stuck at one particular position. And that's very important. Like you write pointers in presentation, I need to write pointers because there should be something that should be there on my PPT. Otherwise, I can speak up on all these topics without anything at all. But then kuch to chahiye na PPT mein humko. So that is why I write some points. But again, I write important pointers only, so that then I can elaborate upon those pointers. And that's exactly what you got to do. And that's what is so very important. Got it? So always write down in pointers, because when you write in pointers, you would then get more results. एक और चीज होती है, ध्यान से सुनो. When you write the complete script, and if you miss one or two points, if you miss one or two sentences, your confidence goes down, because you are like, यार मैंने क्या लिखा था यार, what I had written, and then you start thinking like that, and automatically your flow, it gets disrupted. Has that happened with you? Yes, because you had written the entire script, you forgot something or the other, and then you're like, man, now what do I do? I have got nowhere to go. And that is exactly what needs to change. And that's why you need to write the pointers. The second thing that you need to understand is nobody knows as to what pointers you have written, in which order you are writing the pointers. Nobody knows it, right? So even if you have written a point on number 7, and that happens to be your second point when you are explaining on that particular topic, it does not matter, because nobody has seen those pointers. It is only you who has seen those pointers. And that's why it is very important that you write and you prepare your speech and your content in the form of pointers and not in the form of big paragraphs. Because अगर आप उसको बड़े बड़े पैराग्राफ्स में लिखेंगे, तब आप देखोगे कि यार ये मेरे लिए बिल्कुल भी वर्क नहीं कर रहा है, ये रिजल्ट्स मेरे बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं आ रहे हैं. तो ये चीज फिगर आउट करना बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. Stop writing the complete paragraphs, but from now, always write in pointers. And then when you will make the videos on pointers, when you will explain it in your own words based upon the knowledge and the information that you have, gradually you will be very comfortable doing it. And therefore, you would be able to get results for yourself. That's very important. Very true. Rahul has written something over here. Like you write the presentation in pointers. Yes, sir. Similar to that. Script is something which does not help the audience to connect with the speaker. Of course, yaar, aap socho na, and especially after attending my sessions, will you like to go to a meeting or a presentation wherein there are people over there who have written the complete extract on a piece of paper and they are reading out of a piece of paper? एक डायस पे खड़े होके वो उस कागज में से सारी चीजें पढ़ रहे हैं. It would be pathetic. You would get really bored, right? So this is what I say, कि आपको अपना कंटेंट, अपना काम इतना डेफिनेटली, और इतने ज्यादा एनर्जी के संग करना है कि आपके पास रिजल्ट्स अपने आप ही आने लग जाते हैं. That is what is so very important. And people, I will not be able to take questions in the middle of the session, okay? So that, because otherwise the flow would be disrupted. आप अपने questions ready करके रखिए अपने पास. Got it? That is why it is so very important. Good. Very good. Somebody says, but movies do work on scripts and they are entertaining. Brother, they don't write one script. They write one particular scene and then one particular scene and then one particular scene and then one particular scene. And that is why it is important. And by the way, there also a lot of improvisation happens. You must have heard it over there. That what happens is that the director says, okay, forget the script. Say what you have on your mind. Keep it real. So that's why it is very important. And some actors don't do well only because they are remembering what is there in the script and then they are speaking the exact script over there. And that is what is so very important. Samajh mein aayi baat? Good. One more thing. 12 minutes before you speak is the most appropriate time for you to have water. Water, and I would always recommend you to have water. If it is slightly warm, well and good. Don't try and have tea or coffee. Always have water. 12 minutes before you speak. Please note it down because this is the most appropriate time for you. It gets settled into your body. Your body has already consumed all that water and now it will keep you hydrated throughout the course of your session. Of course, if you are doing a session like me, जहाँ पे कि आपको 8-8 घंटे बोलना है, तब तो आपको पानी की bottles खत्म करनी पड़ेंगी बहुत सारी, regularly hydrated रहने के लिए. I'm having water only, brother, nothing else. Okay? So 12 minutes before you speak. And once you have figured out all these essentials on public speaking, getting rid of the self-imposed limitations, don't fear the language, presentation matters, presentation in the form of your appearance, in the form of the clothes that you're wearing, creating that hero or that heroine effect, get them totally with you, rethink what you are trying to say to people, speak to one person at a time, create those pointers and do not write the entire script and always have order 12 minutes before you speak. Because I don't need Red Bull and all, man. I'm already doing that energy, right? Right. So that is what is so very important. 12 minutes before you speak, have that water, get ahead and create those chances for you. Now, next. Something that is very important that we need to realize right now is giving feedback to others. How many of you find it difficult giving feedback to others? Tell me. Our feedback is not appropriate. Our feedback is like, man, what do I say? How will I be able to tell people? How will I be able to create that kind of an impact? मेरे लिए वो difficult हो जाता है, right? Feedback कैसे दूं मैं लोगों को, information कैसे दूं, rude, and that is what we have upon our mind, right? So let me tell you, how do you give a feedback over here? Please note it down. You start with the positive pointers, then you give the recommendations, and then you again conclude with positivity. Let me repeat. You start with positivity, you give recommendations, and then you again give some positive pointers. For example, somebody has delivered a speech. You will tell about the positive aspects of that particular speech. And then you will give them a recommendation. And you know what is a recommendation? Recommendation means that you are telling them what was wrong, what needs improvement, and you are also telling them how to improve it. Listen to me very carefully. You also have to tell them how to improve it. Because otherwise, it's of no use. You tell them that this is what was lacking, but you don't tell them how to. It's no use. Right? So you got to give them positivity. You got to tell them what was the positive impact about that session. Then you give them the recommendations, and in the recommendations you give them pointers. You tell them about things that needs to be improved, and at the same time, then you again conclude with the positivity, because that is what is so very important. That is what is going to create that impact. Okay. How many of you want an amazing activity over here right now? Give me a yes. Give me a yes. Right? Brilliant. Now, you're going to love it, right? So what we are going to do is we will have 2 test speakers with us right now. Okay, Sagar, Neha, are you ready? Both of you. We will have 2 test speakers with us right now. Okay, and what's going to happen is first, Sagar is going to speak. He's going to speak upon a particular topic for 2.5 minutes. The role of mentorship in our life. Please note it down. The role of mentorship in our life. That is going to be the topic for both Sagar as well as Neha. So first, Sagar will speak for 2.5 minutes. I will evaluate Sagar's speech. Neha will speak, and then all of you will evaluate Neha's speech on a piece of paper or your diary, and then you will share your evaluation in the Facebook group, whether it is Learn Public Speaking or it is Rahul's VIP, or you can share in both. So first I will give the evaluation. आपको समझ में आ जाएगा evaluation कैसे अच्छे से दिया जाता है, and then you will give the evaluation. Interesting? Ready for it? Type R if you are ready, ladies and gentlemen. Awesome. I love it. I absolutely love it. So, Sagar, are you ready? Who happens to be our first test speaker? And I will also write down notes. I will also write down notes. Evaluation जो अभी मैं करके आपको दिखाऊंगा, जो कि हमको फीडबैक फॉलो करना है, फॉर्मेट फॉलो करना है, पॉजिटिविटी, recommendations, and then again positivity. Got it? Good. And then the evaluation task. अगर आप Facebook ग्रुप में नहीं, आप हमें मेल कर देना, हम आपको ऐड कर देंगे. हम आपको ऐड कर देंगे उसमें. ठीक है? So Sagar will be our first speaker. I will give feedback to Sagar, which would be then followed by Neha Rawat. So Sagar, I have allowed you to talk. Please unmute yourself. Hi Sagar, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thanks. And what about you?
I'm doing absolutely fine. I hope you are enjoying the session today.
Why not, sir? Exactly, sir. I'm waiting for it since September. When was your first webinar?
Awesome. Okay, so you enrolled for this in the first webinar itself.
And I was, I think, among 50, for first 50 among them that I have enrolled in.
Wow. So happy. Brilliant.
Because I always look for opportunities.
100%, man. When you look for opportunities, you find them. Whereas others are just thinking, okay, where's the opportunity? How do I get my next opportunity? That is something that needs to change. So, Sagar, what is the title of your speech?
The role of mentorship in our life.
All right. The role of mentorship in our life. Speech duration is 2.5 minutes. He will speak upon this particular topic. All of you listen to it. And at the same time, all of you also write down the pointers. And then the next would be done by Neha. And then you all would be giving the feedback to her, the evaluation to her on your sheets. All right. Sagar, please start.
Okay, sir. How many of you want to bring a humongous change in your life? Type yes. Type yes. How many of you are doing a job or doing a network marketing and want to be successful in your life? Type yes. Type yes. Now, I have just asked you the two questions, and I know that your answer is yes, yes, and yes. But for these to happen, you must have a mentor in your life, because these conditions would be completely satisfied when you have a mentor. If I talk about myself, I was a very demotivated person. I was feeling depressed and I was going from a phase, and I felt that there was a no purpose of my life. But I was always looking for one more opportunity and pushed myself. And a communication mastery mentorship program came in my life, and I grabbed that initiative. And it is rightly said, opportunities are the gift of God, but it is meant for those people who grab it. And I grab it. After enrolling, my life has completely changed. I have a lot of positivity inside me. While speaking, I am very much confident and I feel motivated all the time. And I have got a lot of opportunities, and one more opportunity that I got where I will be interacting with 500 students in next week. And this is all because of mentorship. So people understand at every time you struggle, but if you have a mentor, you would definitely succeed. To summarize, the role of mentorship in our life is very, very important. It is essential. And it is rightly said, a mentor is someone who allows you to see the hope and ignites a burning fire of success inside you. So remember, a mentor is a key to success. And success is when your preparation needs an opportunity. Over to you, Rahul sir.
Thank you so much. And it was very, very well done. I truly appreciate it. It was amazing, right? Brilliant. So many people are appreciating you. I just love it. Brilliant. Now, I will give the feedback to him. I will evaluate his speech, listen to it very carefully, everybody, okay? And then you got to do the same thing. Sagar, many congratulations on delivering an amazing speech. I must say that your speech had a lot of good pointers. First of all, you started with a bang. When you asked two questions to the audience, you automatically had the audience with you. You automatically got the attention of the audience. And it is rightly said, you need to win the audience's attention in the first 15 seconds, and you exactly did the same thing. Then you also gave a very good example which other people could also relate with, because you also gave examples from your own personal life. So because of your personal examples, people were able to relate more, and that is what matters so much, because personal examples and personal stories always connect with others. Then you also told us about the name of the opportunity that came your way, and that also created a lot more faith in your talk, because people realized that, okay, this was the opportunity that actually changed his life. You also included quotations like opportunities are the gifts of God. And then you also had a lot of energy in your talk, which is always welcome, because energy is a very prominent part of every talk that we deliver. I also loved the voice modulation, because I realized that it is because of the voice modulation that people were again connected with you. Two things that I want you to work upon. Number one is your grammar. I feel that the grammar part needs more efforts. Now, how do you improve upon the grammar part? By consuming more content in English, by making more videos, by writing your content, and then realizing by tools, free of cost available tools, whether my grammar and my sentence construction is appropriate or not. That is how you would be able to work upon your grammar. And the second thing is, please don't say to summarize, I would like to say this. That is too old fashioned. What, there's no need for you to say all these things, right? To summarize and things like that. You would be able to conclude, and people would realize that you have concluded without using these words. All in all, I also loved the part that you were always high on energy, and so many people loved the way you implemented the knowledge, and also implement all the things I have taught you. That is the sign of a good student, and I must congratulate you on your amazing talk. Best wishes. Just work upon those two things that I told you, so that from the next time onwards, your talk becomes impeccable. It was very difficult for me to find out things that you need improvement upon, but I love it. Best wishes. Keep hustling, keep growing. Thank you so much, Sagar.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I want to tell you one thing.
Mm-hmm.
Sir,
Yeah, yeah.
sir, after enrolling in this program, my life has completely changed. And because I was looking for a mentor and I was not afraid of investing upon myself, and that is the very good part. And my mom said that, Sagar, why you are doing this? Why were you doing a lot of investments? And I was just looking for one opportunity. एक और अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाए, खुद को एक बार और पुश कर लूं, क्योंकि सर देयर वाज अ टाइम मैं रात को भी पढ़ता था और इम्प्लीमेंट करता था, मतलब आप आज भी जब टॉक देना था ना, एंड आई डिडंट स्लीप वेल। एंड इसके बाद फिर जब अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली तो धीरे धीरे फिर वो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करने लगा, धीरे धीरे और कॉन्फिडेंस आने लगा, क्योंकि सर मैंने भी अपनी जर्नी, मैं आपसे रिलेट करता था, मैंने पब्लिक स्पीकिंग की जर्नी आई स्टार्टेड इट व्हेन आई वाज इन 10th class, and when I was in 12th class I was also have given one talk, but I was not able to communicate well due to a huge audience, because I had never ever faced 1,000 people, and that day I cried. And I relate with you class 12 disaster as well, when I
Right.
just listened in communication mastery program, and I realized that, sir, that I was like relating with you, and I read it. I also wrote it down in my diary, your whole life journey. And when on the daily basis, I saw your journey, and it motivates me a lot to do more, to push more. A mentor is required for us, who push us, who guide us. मेरे को ये था कि कोई एक बंदा मिल जाए जो मुझे और पुश कर दे, थोड़ा और गाइड कर दे. And then suddenly you came in my life, and my life
And
has
we
completely
are
changed,
so
and
happy.
got one more opportunity.
And we are so happy that you are here and that you are growing and that you are learning. And this is just the beginning. In the future, you're going to do so much more. You're going to achieve so much more. And this is just the beginning for you. Keep
And
hustling, brother.
yeah, sir. और मैंने सर पता है अपने आपने एक सेशन लिया था 53 पॉजिटिव वेज, एंड इन दैट सेशन आई हैव implemented all the things. I also have a gratitude journal and a diary with me. And मैंने उसके बाद क्या करा कि अपने फॉलोअर्स सारे रिमूव कर दिए, सारे नेगेटिव फ्रेंड्स सारे वो रिमूव कर दिए, एंड मेरे को 100 फॉलोअर्स मेरे कम हो गए थे. एंड अगेन आई कम to increase my followers, and now my followers like 406, and it goes down 300, around 386.
This is amazing, brother. And we know that once you have that positivity, more results and more opportunities would come. Brilliant. So, Sagar, you now heard how an evaluation is given, right? Now we will
Yes,
have
sir.
Neha, who's going to be our next speaker. And now you will also have to evaluate her along with everybody else. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, brother. Best of luck. So he did so well. Let's have a big round of applause for him. I'm so happy that he's growing, and I'm so happy that he delivered such an amazing talk. And he also spoke his heart out. That is what is the best part, and that is what we love, right? All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, how many of you are now ready to listen to the next talk and then give the evaluation accordingly? I will also give the evaluation. I will also note it down. Keep your diaries, keep your pens and your paper ready so that you would also evaluate at the same time, and then you would upload your evaluation in the group. Got it? Good. Brilliant. I hope now everybody has understood how to give an evaluation, positive, recommendation, positive, and then we give the evaluation task. That's what we got to do. Okay. So our next speaker is Neha. Neha, I have allowed you to 1 second. I've allowed you to talk. Can you see? Yes, Neha, we have done.
Hello.
Yeah, Neha, how are you?
Good morning, sir. Good morning. I am very good. How are you?
I'm doing so well. I'm so happy that you are also here and that you would be delivering an amazing talk today.
Yes, thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. Thank you so much.
And also, I'm happy that you grabbed the opportunity because you were informed about it yesterday itself.
Yes, and I guess this is such a fortunate, like I was working, but now at 9:30 at night, I got the message that we are not working and it's an off for everyone. So I'm super excited now.
And now you are here for the entire day.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Awesome. So, Neha, you have 2.5 minutes. The title of your speech remains the same, the role of mentorship in our life. You would have to deliver your talk, and then so many other people would be listening to you, and they would also be able to give you an amazing feedback on your talk. So, are you ready to start?
Yes, yes, yes.
All right. So, please start now.
A mentor is someone who allows you to see the hope inside yourself. Oprah Winfrey has rightly said it. You know, it is so essential to surround yourself with that kind of individual who's already there where you want to be. As it is rightly said, that iron sharpens iron. So, we definitely need an iron man or woman who can make ourselves an iron. Yes, everyone. Everyone in their lifetime needs at least one mentor who can give you advice and inspiration that can entirely change your life. And I can bet on that. A mentor who can show us the right path and who will even be a role model for everyone. My dear audience, I don't talk only the bookish language, but I always talk through my experience. And through my experience, I can tell you that mentor can positively influence us and even change our future in a more better way. So, the very first and the most powerful reason why a mentor is so important in your life is he believes in you more than you do. Yes, I would repeat this, that he believes in you more than you do. I still remember the very first time I had put my video on Facebook group. Rahul sir has given me the feedback that Neha, I can see a lot more potential in you. There is a lot more to go. Please join our communication mastery program. And I can't tell you that I just agreed to that and I joined that program. Yes, believe in yourself. That's what Rahul sir says for everyone. Why I'm referring my mentor to Rahul sir? Because he is the only mentor in my life whom I respect and love a lot. So your mentor knows very well what is possible for you. Why? Because only he can see the true potential in yourself. His belief will fuel your own inner self belief. And I can say this very powerfully and strongly that I have a lot of self belief in myself after Rahul sir has come into my life. And like sir said, that feedbacks are really important in life. But you tell me, how many of you have got an honest feedback? Only your mentor is going to give you his honest feedback because he will not sugarcoat it. But at the same time, he will tell you where to improve and to work on. And at the same time, your mentor will clarify all the situations beforehand because he doesn't want his mentee to face any trouble because he's going to teach you through his own life experiences. Here, I would like to share my personal example. I got my first public assignment to conduct English spoken classes. I approached Rahul sir to guide me. You won't believe sir had sent me 3 to 4 voice notes explaining everything that what I have to do next. And last but not the least, he motivates and inspire you to take action. Okay, so how many of you here are very good at making excuses? Type I. Yes, we all are so good at making excuses actually. We don't take actions. Yes, we are not action takers. But your mentor, when a mentor will come to your life, he's going to push you so hard that you are going to make your focus stronger and your excuses weaker. Like sir always says, say yes first and then figure out what to do next. And this I'm implementing in my life. So if you want to change your mindset, please have a mentor in your life. And I can say that Rahul sir is the best mentor. Huge respect to you, sir. And I can say that you have totally changed my life. What I was before 6 months, I am a totally changed and a better person in my life. So if any one of you has not enrolled in communication mastery, I would say you that you have 2 hour gap after the workshop. Kindly enroll, kindly have this golden opportunity of under the Rahul sir's mentorship program. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Neha. You spoke so very well. And I really, really enjoyed it because it showed a lot of conviction. I have also given a lot of pointers over here. I have also noted down a lot of pointers. Nalin has also written a lot of pointers over here. I'm so happy. So, people, right now, what we are going to do is, first of all, many, many congratulations to you, Neha.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. I hope I am able to do the justice.
Yeah, you did really, really well. I've got so many things that I have pointed out over here with the tick mark that this was there, this was there, this was there. You will absolutely love it.
And sir, I just want to say one thing that I never had a mentor in my life. And you know that I've been into teaching for the past 4 to 5 years. But the change that you have brought in my life, or I would not say my life, but in everyone's life, you won't believe my 5-year-old son is sitting with me and listening to you. My husband is also sitting with me and listening to you. My home environment, my work environment, my personal mindset has entirely changed. And I just want to thank you from all the audience that you are empowering so many people and you are such an honest mentor. Lots of love and respect.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you so much. And just like I say, these are the things, these are the days, these are the work, these are the moments that we work for because this is what we genuinely love, right? Thank you. Awesome. So, people, you have got 1 minute right now, 1 minute. In that 1 minute, please complete your evaluation. I'm sure that you would have written some good pointers. Please write down. and take a photo of it and upload it in the Facebook groups. Learn Public Speaking and Rahul's VIP. You've got exactly 1 minute. Please do it. If you are not a part of the Learn Public Speaking group, I will give you the link so that you can become a part of the Learn Public Speaking group also. Okay. Here you go. Here you go. Please write down in your diaries. I told you, right? We are going to have a lot of activities because activities will actually help you get results, will actually help you get more opportunities for you. And you will be able to implement whatever you are learning. That's very important. And then please share your evaluation in the Facebook group. Okay. So this is the group that is for everybody. You can become a part of it. Take a photo of the evaluation. Don't worry about your handwriting, okay? And upload it in the group. Please do it. Please do it. I will also get up, do some stretching for me. Exactly 1 minute. Complete it right now. Okay? Yeah. Give the evaluation from your side. We will accept the request. Don't worry. We will do it. So your tasks are like green tea. Here is the group. Okay? Yeah. I have told my team and they would be approving your request. And in case you're finding any difficulty, just type on Facebook, Learn Public Speaking. Just type Learn Public Speaking, okay? Please do it. And we will approve your requests for each one of you. And throughout the day, we would be approving all your requests for each and every one of you. Good. And all the pending requests will be taken care by my team, okay? You not worry about it. Good. Ready for more? Ready for so much more. So can I send my handwriting? हाँ जी, आपका जो handwritten post है वो share कर दीजिए. Not a problem at all. Not a problem at all. Okay? Right. Yes, you can click a photo and share with you and share it in the group. Approving them. You can send a photo. You can also send it in the form of a video. Entirely your call. आप वीडियो भी देख सकते हैं, भेज सकते हैं, या फिर आप फोटो भी भेज सकते हैं. Got it? Good. Please share your feedback. Okay, I will also give my feedback live. So बाकी के लोग feedback दे चुके हैं. That is why I waited for mine. I'll give you my feedback right now. First of all, you started with a quotation, and that is something that I really loved. The second thing is there was a lot of energy, and just like you also mentioned in your talk that I will not just be giving you plain motivation and stuff. I will also be giving you important pointers and strategies, and that is something that was very powerful. There was honesty in your talk, and that is what I appreciate, because honesty is something that would always connect with people. And I believe that yes, honesty is so important, isn't it? Next, I also loved the flow of your talk because the flow was good. It was not haphazard. At the same time, what I have also noted down over here is when you said that I am giving you an honest feedback based upon what I have experienced in my life, that was an awesome example. It was powerful, and also because it was a personal example, so you loved it. There was also humor in your talk. When you asked people, how many of you are good at making excuses, right? Type I. So the humor part was also included in it. A few things that I would like you to work upon is, number one, please don't say that last but not the least. That was the same mistake that Sagar committed when he said to summarize. All those things are too old fashioned. I'm not saying that these are things that you have to completely eliminate because it's a mistake. But the reason why you need to eliminate is because so many other people, but it's very common. Then Neha, one more thing that you have to do is work upon your MTI, that is the mother tongue influence. Sometimes you have mother tongue influence in your talk. But again, the only way we would, and that is very minimum. And the only way you will be able to get rid of it is when you work on it and when you improve for it and when you put in more efforts, more video content, more efforts, and you will surely be able to do it. Talking about the positive aspects one more time, you had quotes, and quotes always connect with people. So you had 2-3 quotations. You also had a powerful ending. And a powerful ending is very important, just like a powerful beginning is, because that's the last thing that people take away from that. All in all, I love the talk. Please work upon the 2 things that I suggested to you. And from the next time onwards, you will surely be empowering even more people. This is a talk that people will remember. And the end objective is to make people believe that a mentor is required, and you exactly did it. That is what was the crux of your talk. Many congratulations to you. Looking forward to hearing from you in the future as well. Thank you so much. So I have my feedback for both Sagar as well as for Neha. I hope all of you have also given your feedbacks by now. Are we done? Everybody? Everyone, ladies and gentlemen, we are done, right? Good. Brilliant. Nice. Awesome. On Facebook also? Nice. Now, let's go ahead. Now we are going to focus upon stage coverage. Somebody has asked me, will we get the recordings? Well, we have already told you, you will be getting the recordings as well as the 10 ebooks, as well as the PDF of the entire session, and it will be uploaded inside your course access. You will be getting a mail so that you can watch and rewatch the content for 5 years. And by 20th of November, the recordings would be available, edited portions of the recordings, so that we multiply the content into various parts so that it becomes easier for you to learn. Got it? Good. Brilliant. Yes, even the blueprint for 6 months along with the video. So I will give you the blueprint for 6 months along with the video, and even that would be uploaded inside your access. Happy? Everybody? Good. Thank you. Good. Now let's go ahead. People, if you realize now, we are giving you so much of value inside this, and I'm so happy. Abhi, we are just 1.5 hours into the session. Just 1.5 hours into the session. And so much value has already been given. And so much more to come your way. Now, let's talk about the stage coverage part. Because when you focus upon the stage coverage, that is a very important element. A lot of people are there. There are a lot of speakers, by the way, who are not able to cover the stage, who just speak from one part of the stage. And because they speak from one part of the stage, that is the reason why they are not able to create that kind of an impact. I love it. That is absolutely amazing. That's good. And I'm so happy that all other people have also given their feedback for Neha's talk. Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you so much, Prince. I love it. And I absolutely appreciate your kind words, brother. Thank you. Thank you so much. So now let us focus upon the stage coverage aspect of a particular talk. See, this is something that probably nobody would have told you earlier, but I say this to you. Please do this. Draw it on paper. Ladies and gentlemen. When you will draw it on a piece of paper, you will then realize that you have the entire arena in front of you. And now when the entire arena is in front of you, you would be able to take the maximum out of it. Because you would realize, okay, I've got this much space to the left. I will be standing in the middle. Then I have to go to the right side. How will I be able to do it? Have that clear-cut picture upon your mind. Visualize how you would cover the entire stage area. Because when you would visualize how you would cover the entire stage area, then it would help you a lot. And then it would make you more aware about the opportunity that you have. So this is what I used to do whenever I was delivering speeches at places. I used to go there, I used to look at the stage area, and then I used to put it online. And then I used to put it on my paper. I used to draw it. If your handwriting is horrible, it does not matter. आपको replica नहीं बनाना वहाँ पे. आपको बस ये लिखना है आपके पास stage area कितना allocated है. And then you figure out कि मेरे को कहाँ पे जाना है, कैसे कैसे करना है, कैसे results लेकर आने हैं, कितनी जगह पे कितनी बार बोलना है, किस जगह पे कितने points बोलने हैं, how many pointers do I have to speak at one particular place. And once you have got everything figured out, then you will give your 100% thing. Very true. Somebody says go 15 minutes before your talk, 100%. When you go 10 to 15 minutes before your talk to that place, you become accustomed to that place. And then when you have become comfortable with that place, you are able to deliver a more resounding talk because so many people will be able to relate more with your content as well as your session. Got it? Have done on our Josh talk. Good. So you have to be prepared. You have to be ready. You have to go there. You have to get that opportunity for you. And then you make the most out of it. Got it? Good. Next, avoid taking sides, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what this happens is, have you noticed there are a lot of speakers? What they do is they just go on one side of the stage. Some people are on the right side most of the time. Some people are on the left side most of the time. And that's the reason why they are not able to connect with the audience directly and why they are not able to create that kind of an impact because one side of the audience is left over. And that's why it's very important that you take care of the entire stage area. So avoid taking sides, because if you would continue being on just one side of the audience, the other side of the audience will feel neglected. And that's exactly what you got to change. Is that clear with everybody? Right? Good.